What do the expressions a bit and as well mean? Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff McQuillan from ESLPOD.com. A bit is an extremely or very common expression in spoken English. It means simply a small amount or a little. Typically, you will see a bit in front of an adjective. I could say, for example, I'm a bit cold. That means that I'm not completely cold, I'm not frozen, but I'm starting to get cold. Similarly, we might say, I'm a bit angry. I'm not really mad, I'm not really angry, but I'm a bit angry. Another common expression is as well. As well means simply also or to. For example, I'm going to the store and my brother is as well, or my brother is too. If you want to learn more English, take a look at our website at ESLPOD.com.